So you bought a Fire TV stick or you have a Fire OS TV and you're just using it to open Netflix and YouTube, right? That's it. Look, I get it. Most people do the same. But honestly, you're using maybe 20% of what this thing can actually do. There are settings buried inside that can speed it up, stop those annoying ads, protect your kids, and even make the picture quality noticeably better. And the best part, most of these take less than 30 seconds to set up. Let me show you. Hi, I am Pooja and welcome to Clearby. I spend all my time buying and testing home appliances, TVs, soundbars, washing machines, air conditioners, and yes, Fire TV devices to see how they perform in real life, not just on paper. So you can buy confidently without wasting your money. Everything I share here is from real testing and real experience. So today, 10 Fire TV tips and tricks that will genuinely change how you use your TV. These work on all Fire TV sticks, Fire TV Cube, and Fire OS Smart TVs. Let's get into it. Let's start with the one that annoys literally everyone. You turn on your Fire TV, and before you can even do anything, some loud trailer or ad starts playing on the home screen. Honestly, it scared me once at night when I turned on the TV and full volume ad started blasting. Here is the fix, and it takes 10 seconds. Go to Settings, Preferences, Featured Content. You'll see two options here. Allow video autoplay and allow audio autoplay. Turn both of them off. That's it. The ads will still be there as images, but they won't autoplay or blast audio anymore. And here is a bonus trick. When you turn on your TV, double tap the home button quickly. First press wakes the device. Second press skips right past the ad banner. Once you get the timing right, you'll never see those full screen ads again. Now this one is a game changer, especially if your Fire TV has been feeling slow or laggy lately. Every app on your Fire TV like Netflix, YouTube, Hotstar, Prime Video stores temporary files called cache. Over time, this cache piles up, takes storage and slows everything down. And the good news? Amazon recently added a feature where you can clear all app caches at once with a single click. Go to Settings, Applications. Right there, you'll see Clear All Application Caches. Click it, confirm, done. In my case, it freed up hundreds of MBs instantly, and the whole interface felt noticeably snappier. I do this once a month now. Honestly, takes 5 seconds and your Fire TV feels like new every time. Lost your remote? Happens to all of us, right? Or maybe you need to type a long password or search for something and using the tiny remote keyboard is just painful. Here is what you do. Download the Amazon Fire TV app on your phone. It's free, available on both Android and iPhone. Connect it to the same Wi-Fi as your Fire TV. And that's it. Your phone becomes a full remote. Navigate, control playback, everything works. But here is the real reason I love this app. The keyboard. When you need to type anything, a search query, a Wi-Fi password, a login, you can type it on your phone's keyboard instead of that painfully slow on-screen keyboard. It is so much faster, honestly. Recently, Amazon even updated this app to let you browse content and manage your watch list from your phone, even when you're away from home. So you can add shows to your list while you're out, and that will be ready when you get home. This one is perfect for anyone who watches TV late at night and doesn't want to disturb the family. You can connect any Bluetooth headphones or earphones directly to your Fire TV. No wires, no extra devices needed. Go to Settings, Controllers and Bluetooth devices, other Bluetooth devices. Put your headphones in pairing mode, wait a few seconds for them to show up and connect. Done. And the best part, once paired, your Fire TV remembers them. So next time they'll connect automatically. This also means if you travel with your Fire TV stick, your headphones stay paired. You can even connect Bluetooth gaming controllers, keyboards and mice the same way, which is something most people don't even know about. This one is really important and almost nobody talks about it. By default, your Fire TV collects data about what you watch, what apps you use, and uses that to show you targeted ads. Now, you can't remove ads completely. It's Amazon after all. But you can seriously reduce how much data they collect about you. Go to Settings, Preferences, Privacy Settings. You'll find three options here. Device usage data, collect app usage data, and interest-based ads. Turn all three of them off. With these off, you'll still see ads, but they'll be generic ads, not targeted based on your viewing habits. And honestly, it might even give you a small speed boost because there is less background data collection happening. Your Fire TV, your privacy. Simple as that. Have you ever noticed that sometimes your Fire TV picture looks kind of dull or washed out? Like the colors don't look quite right? Here is why. By default, many Fire TV devices keep HDR on all the time, even when you're watching content that doesn't support HDR. And that actually makes regular content look worse. Colors get washed out, menus look faded. The fix: go to settings, display and audio, display, dynamic range settings. Switch it from always HDR to adaptive. What this does is, your Fire TV will only turn on HDR when you're actually watching HDR content. For everything else, it stays in SDR, which looks way better for regular browsing, menus, and standard content. If your TV supports proper HDR, which most modern TVs do, this one change can make your picture quality look noticeably better. Try it and see the difference for yourself. So everyone knows you can press the Alexa button on the remote and say, "Open Netflix." But Alexa on Fire TV can do so much more than that. And most people don't even try. Here are some commands I use almost every day. Just hold the voice button on your remote and say, "Play something funny." Alexa will recommend comedies across all your streaming apps. Not just Prime Video, but Netflix, Hotstar, everything. Fast forward 10 minutes. Perfect when you are skipping through a slow part of a movie. You can say any number of minutes. What actor is this? While watching something on Prime Video, Alexa can tell you who is on the screen using the X-ray feature. Show me the weather, and your TV becomes a weather display. Set a sleep timer for 30 minutes. This one is amazing. Watching something before bed, set a timer and your Fire TV will automatically go to sleep. Oh, and one more thing. When using the voice button on the remote, you don't need to say Alexa first. Just press the button and speak directly. The remote listens while you hold it. If you have kids at home, this one is a must. Fire TV has a built-in parental control system that lets you lock content behind a pin, so your kids can't accidentally or intentionally watch something they should not. Go to Settings, Preferences, Parental Controls. Set a 5-digit pin and then you can choose what to restrict. Purchases, app launches, specific content ratings, everything. One important thing though, parental controls on Fire TV only work for Amazon content and app installations. For apps like Netflix, YouTube or Hotstar, you'll need to set up restrictions inside each app separately. Just keep that in mind. But for a basic layer of protection, this is quick and easy, and honestly gives a peace of mind. Want to show photos, videos or even presentations from your phone on the big screen? Fire TV supports screen mirroring. On your Fire TV, hold on the home button for a few seconds. A quick menu pops up from the bottom. Select mirroring. Your Fire TV is now ready to receive. On Android, just go to your phone's notification panel and look for cast or screen mirror. Select your Fire TV and you're connected. For iPhone users, Fire TV supports Apple AirPlay on most newer models, so you can mirror or cast directly from your iPhone or iPad. This is super handy for showing family photos, presenting something for work, or even playing mobile games on the big screen. And finally, this one is small but so useful. When your Fire TV starts acting weird, apps crashing, interface lagging, video buffering for no reason, the first thing you should do is restart it. But you don't need to go digging behind the TV to unplug it. There is a hidden shortcut. Just press and hold the select button and the play or pause button together on your remote for about 5 seconds. Your Fire TV will restart automatically. Alternatively, you can go to Settings, My Fire TV, Restart. But the remote shortcut is way faster and easier to remember. I do this whenever something feels off, and honestly, 9 out of 10 times a quick restart fixes everything. So those are my 10 Fire TV tips, from stopping annoying ads to making your picture quality better to protecting your privacy. Honestly, once you set these up, your Fire TV experience becomes so much smoother. Let me know in the comments which setting or trick surprised you the most. I am really curious. And if you are planning to buy a Fire OS TV or Fire TV stick, I have left the best selling ones budget wise in the description. Please check them out. It really supports the channel. Now I know everyone asks you to subscribe. But honestly, for a small channel like Clearby, every single one truly matters. It tells me you trust what I am doing here and that keeps me going. And if there is anything you want me to test next, I am just one comment away. Until then, don't just buy. Clearby. See you soon.